A new day. Sun is rising. Didn't have a chance to explore the city at the night yesterday. But now it's 6:50 a.m. in the morning. Let's go explore the city and explore the lakes. Fuck it. I still don't understand how to make the auto white balance to manual, not in a way the setting, but what could be the typical rate. It's early in the morning, sun is about to be out, but if I keep it auto white balance, it just makes everything so white, and that's not the real essence of it. We're almost 20 kilometers away from the lake. I wanted to get a coffee and look at all these cows. They just not afraid of human being. Cheese on mine. It's time to hike up. It takes 1 hour 30 minutes. Very easy. Taking the first break, elevation gain is almost 300 feet. Going strong. There are plenty of people on the trail, and weather is around 17.
So we gone that quite.
Compared to Pakistan, it's not beautiful.
No, compared to the island. Madeira.
Almost arrived. There is a way for the car to come up, but it was closed, so we have to hike up. Really enjoying the view, and I don't know, I just feel lucky to be able to do this on a weekend. Yes. This morning I went to Lidl and got myself 2 protein yogurts, and that's what I'll be doing. That will be my little picnic on the lakeside. Damn. Marvelous. It's time to head back. Let's go. We grab a coffee right there and then we hike down. After this, I'll go to a lake that is nearby Louise, something is 10 kilometers. And then we go to that Interlaken Valley. I don't know how to pronounce the name. They have a very difficult one. Lothar Burton something. So let's go, guys. There are still so many people hiking up. It's 12:43 and no one is coming down. Strange. Back at the parking place now. I'll go to another lake that is nearby. Damn. Total it took me 1 hour 10 minutes to go up and more than an hour, so 2 hours 30 minutes in total. Difficulty level moderate. Lake is nice, but I think it might be a bit overrated in a way. I've traveled a lot, and particularly if you travel to those countries like Madeira, in Asian countries, some Greek island, I think I'm close to those, but still it's one of the best experience I had so far. So this is the view from the parking. You see how amazing it is. This is the name of the second lake, and this is a park. Can you see? I can't see, the sun is so bright, and you need to have a ticket to go inside.
We locked the car or not?
Yes,